In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and get this app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then to mute the music right away, click Consent and tap at the bottom left corner. Then use this gear at the top left corner and operate all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. Then click at the top right corner and the bottom right corner. Finally, select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of those options. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!